Niscomed Mini AED Trainer. Feature mentioned on the back side of the box. Open the box. And take out the AED from the box. It has wire with the box. We have two types of pad in the box. One is for the adult and second is for the pediatric use. In the box we have user manual also. Flip the AED trainer and install the batteries in it. Now close. We have start or power button on the AED trainer. Start button and attach the wire in the product. Now the product is ready for use. Press the orange button for deliver the shock to the patient.